You'd actually think I'm going out into World War III the way that I am wrapped up right now. Oh! Did I just film myself committing a crime? And I thought, very cheeky that. I figured I should actually probably give you guys a room tour, shouldn't I? This is the state of my room at the moment. Good morning everyone, it is my first official day at uni. Well, not even at uni, I'm not actually doing any lectures, but like living here. And yeah, we've got some errands to run today because I am just out of so much, not out of stuff, but there's just so many things that like once I moved in I realised, okay wait, I need this and I need this. One of them being the lid to this guy, which if you watched my last video, you'll know. I bought this from B&M and I was so excited to use it last night until I went into the kitchen. I even filled up the kettle. No lid. Fuming. So I will be going to B&M and stealing one off the other ones. And that's part of my errand. Yeah, it's 10:43 right now, so we've got time. I haven't eaten anything because I literally I have food, but it all like requires something to mix it with. I could have made porridge, but I'd rather make it with milk than water, I'm not gonna lie. You'd actually think I'm going out into World War III the way that I am wrapped up right now. Like the fact that I'm not even like getting on the bus or anything, that I'm going to my car. But you know what? Comfort is key. Warmth is key. This is like not the best way to make friends at uni, to be honest, walking around with a fat camera in my hand, because people are going to look at me and think, what a weirdo, like why is she doing that? Look at this window, it feels very demure, very classy. I've made it to the vehicle. First job of the day is I need to clear whatever the hell is going on in the back of my car. Why can I not speak? So that's going to be our first task. Then after that, I think the smart thing to do is probably leave shopping till last, right? I don't know. I'm acting like I have any clue what I'm talking about. 蓝牙模式连接成功。 Let me give you guys a haul of what I just bought. Oh! Did I just film myself committing a crime? Yes, I did. But who cares? They're the ones that are in the wrong for giving me a flipping hot water bottle that didn't have a lid on it. So best know I went in there, I found my exact dinosaur hot water bottle that they're still selling, and I unscrewed it. So to whoever gets that hot water bottle, I'm really sorry, because you're going to go through the same stress as me, and this is probably going to be a never-ending spiral of people buying hot water bottles and stealing the lids off them. I can imagine the person that stole the lid off mine also had the same thing happen to them. So what can we do? So I got some purchases from B&M and One Below, and first things first, I got these because I don't want to put up LED lights in my room. I don't know, I just feel like sticking them up and like all of that is just going to be long. So I bought these little LED touch light thingies with remote control, which are looking hopeful. I was thinking maybe I could stick them like underneath my desk and that could look cool, potentially. This cute little thing, because I was actually looking at one of these online and I found them in One Below. One Below? Yeah, One Below. And it's really cute. It's just like a little cup thing for me when I'm eating my dinner. I can like, I don't know, absolute bargain. Online these are so expensive for no reason. 2 bottles of clear water because it was 2 for £1, and I thought, very cheeky that. I do like myself some lemon and lime water. I bought micellar water to take off my makeup, cotton pads, and then like shampoo and conditioner of this brand because it was cheap, to be quite honest. I was thinking maybe I should treat myself to some nice shampoo and conditioner, but I haven't done my actual food shopping yet and I don't know how much money I'm going to spend, so I was like, I'll just go easy on the shampoo and conditioner for now, and I've used it on before and it's pretty good, so I'm not too worried. That was all. Oh, and then I bought like batteries as well, but I don't know. I think it's time to go to Lidl. Lidl's the one with the bakery, right? Yeah, it is, like Lidl bakery, I'm pretty sure, because I need some bread, I think. Alrighty, let's get it moving. Look at her funny. Do I have a bag? Oh. I actually do have a shopping bag. I'm so proud of myself. What the hell? I was not expecting to open my boot and actually find a bag in there. I thought I was searching for nothing. Never mind. We're here. I've spent the last like 2 hours editing my YouTube video. That would have been the last video that was out. I'm gonna try and post it tonight maybe. I'll see what I can do there. Yeah, I don't really know what to do with my evening. What's the time? I think I'm gonna finish editing my YouTube video, upload it. I'm gonna see if I can upload it, and then potentially go on a walk. It's getting a little bit dark and I feel like it's gonna get cold outside, so I might as well get my steps in whilst I can, do you know what I mean? I figured I should actually probably give you guys a room tour, shouldn't I? Because I haven't really shown you around properly, but this is the state of my room at the moment. I like the lighting. It's a little bit dark, but like this is gonna be like my chill, like when I'm just sitting in my bed, like at night lighting. And then I also have this light that I can turn on, so that lights up the room a lot more. And then I've also got my top light. So, but I just feel like big light is too much sometimes. I'll turn on. I feel like I should turn on the light just for the sake of the room tour. But this is my room. We've got bathroom in here, where I've got my items. I've got like a little just stuff down there. I've got my shower items, my towel, shower. It's just a basic toilet, to be honest. But it's a wet room, so I've put that there just in case any, like, you know, bits of water come out or anything. Probably turn off the light. Then I've got mirror. I'm in my gorgeous hoodie, nice and warm. I've got my wardrobe. This was probably the most stressful part of moving. It was just, oh, it was so long trying to fold everything up and do everything, but I've got it nice and organised now. So my top drawer is like my toiletries and stuff, like just like, you know, my bits and bobs. Got my tops in here. This is gym stuff. This is tops. And then shorts, skirts and dresses are in this drawer because I don't really have a lot of them. So yeah, and I've got my PC, which I'm missing a cable somehow, so I need to get one of those and then I can actually use it. So that's why it's kind of there for now. I probably won't move over there, I'm not sure, depends. And then I've got my books, my film cameras there. I've got this little organizer thing for just like forms or files or whatever. I've got got this little decoration bit. I've got my paints, my diffuser oils, my perfumes, makeup that I just use like on a day-to-day basis, like easy access, my laptop thing, a lamp, my bedside cabinet, my bed, and then I've got this thing which I have yet to like find a use for. I'm turning up the heating actually, it's a bit cold now. I've yet to find a use for it. Like I've just sort of got some cleaning products in there, and then I've got my shoes, and then my coat hanger. And then I've got this cork board which I need to buy some pins and just things to put on it, but I'm sure I'll accumulate things to put on it. And then I've also got this one, so I've got like plenty of decoration space, I guess. That is my room. It's really cute. I quite like it. It's like it's growing on me. Like I'm starting to feel a bit more comfortable now. Like it actually feels like my room, whereas yesterday it kind of felt like I was just sleeping in someone else's room. But change of plans. Oh my god, this is the scary part of uni now. I'm in like a group chat with like all the other paramedic science students that are like on my course with me, and they're all like meeting in a flat later. So like I'm gonna go obviously, because it'd be stupid if I just sat in my room and didn't go and socialise, but it's scary. It's so scary. They seem really nice in the group chat, so yeah. But this is the uni experience. Like this is what I signed up for. Like this is why I'm here. Well, also to get my education, but that's like also a really big part to it. So I don't think I'm gonna go on a walk. I think I'm gonna stay here. I might go and make some dinner. I'm kind of hungry. It's only 5:30, but like I think I'm gonna make some tuna pasta or something. I did not end this vlog whatsoever. I literally just stopped filming and then forgot to film again when I got back, so I'm gonna film an outro now. I went and I made loads of friends and I had a fabulous time, and now I've got friends, so that's good. Hope you're all proud of me. Thanks for watching my little first day in the life at uni. That's what I got up to, and I think it was a pretty good first day. I got a lot done and I made friends and I socialised and it was good. So also hope you enjoyed the little room tour. Like maybe I'll do like a more in-depth one when I actually like finish decorating, because I want to put stuff up on the walls and like make it a little bit more cute. Like I'm not fully done. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. I love you all so much.